Instrument Air System Part 8. In this part, blowdown devices are going to be discussed. Blowdown devices. It is necessary to provide a method of removing condensed moisture or oil droplets collected at various points in the compressed air system. Some manufacturers incorporate automatic valves, others use drain traps. No matter which method is employed, it should be designed to have minimum impact on air system pressure and capacity. Most manufacturers use drain traps for moisture removal from inter and after coolers, moisture separators and receivers. These usually consist of a reservoir that allows moisture to collect to a predetermined level and a float valve that actuates, allowing the air pressure to blow the water into a drain. Request. It is hoped that this lecture is going to be useful to you. Please press like. Please subscribe. This photograph shows an air receiver. At the bottom of the air receiver, one can see a ball valve. The purpose of this ball valve is to blow down the collected moisture in the bottom of the receiver. Here one can see a safety valve and a pressure gauge also. In this slide, one can see a ball valve, a safety valve, a pressure gauge. In this slide, one can see an electronically controlled condensate drain. Some manufacturers use a timer actuated solenoid valve opening for a few seconds on a preset time schedule to blow the air line down. The automatic drain valves associated with intercoolers must be checked regularly. If the condensate is carried into the second stage cylinder, it will wash away cylinder lubrication on lubricated compressors and may damage the cylinder. In addition to the use of drain traps and blowdown valves in the instrument air system, it is recommended that the various air lines to the end-use components be manually blown down periodically to facilitate the removal of particulate contamination from the system. Manual blowdowns are particularly important in older instrument air systems that have been upgraded to meet ANSI/ISA S7.3 1975. Systems that have been operated for a long period of time with moisture in the air may have plating of corrosion products on the pipe walls. Upgrading system to a sub-zero dew point will dry out this plated layer, causing it to peel off and contaminate the air stream. Next lecture. The next lecture shall be Instrument Air System Part 9. In this lecture, some other important component or aspect of the instrument air system shall be discussed. Request. It is hoped that this lecture is useful to you. Please press like. Please subscribe.